So I picked up from Lori this mama and her 8 kittens, and she gave the kittens the dumbest name ever. This is a sweet mama. You can see this big old injury. Somebody actually threw her out of the car when she was still pregnant, and another kind soul picked her up. Look at this pretty one yellow and one blue eye. But Lori gave the kittens the dumbest names ever. So since there were 8 of them, I had 8 names that I could use, and there's 5 boys and 3 girls. So I changed the dumb names, like isn't this adorable Cow Split? Hey, Cow Split. I think Cow Split is now Yuki. Hi, Mama. And Horn here is Jacob, I think. I have to look and see. Anyways, there's an orange one that's Otto. There's a little tuxie right there. That's Bisan. That's Therese the tabby. Oh, that one's Nicole. There's Nicholas. Hi, Nicholas. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, that one's Leo. And the one laying down behind him is Nicholas. Yeah. So I had plenty of names to pick.